World Trade Contacts is a B2B platform that connects final customers to world major suppliers. Let's find out how it works. Registration is totally free and contact fees are convenient. Just $1.50 for each. Go to www.worldtradecontacts.com. Choose your language between English, Chinese and Italian. Then click on Take a look at the catalogue. Choose the appropriate subject you're looking for between 9,000 typologies and subtypos. Can't find exactly what you're searching for? Try the search bar. Here you can select the amount of contacts you want to receive, then add it to your cart. Go to your cart, proceed to checkout and confirm your order. You'll have immediate access to the purchased contacts. Now you can easily connect and make deals with them. Get on board. No more travel will be impossible.